Yeah, what's up, guys? What's up, girls? It's Muhammad Hamza again, right here, and this is the Champ FX. Today, I'm gonna reveal the strategy I used to pass my FTMO challenge. Trust me, you're gonna love this. So let's dive into the video. I'd like to clear something. Um, if you're new in trading, first and foremost, you will need to know what is trend. Trend is a pattern in which the market is flowing at a particular period of time. It's either the market is flowing in an uptrend or in a downtrend, or it's consolidating. Now, how do you identify your trend? Let's say, for example, we have our market. The market is going in this direction. It's going in this direction. So we can call this an uptrend. So also, whenever we have the market going in this direction, okay, so this is our trend line. We can call this that our market, we're in a downtrend. So now, looking at this chart, ordinarily, you can actually dictate if we're in an uptrend or downtrend. So what I would recommend you guys do, just zoom out from your mouse like 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now you see the chart is a bit faint, but from the overall chart right now, you can see that it is obvious that our market is in a downtrend. So now, for new traders, I will always advise that whenever you are trading, you're looking for trade, please and please do not trade against the trend. Always remember that the trend is your friend. So now, since we know that our market is going downwards, so we should be looking for more of sales. So let me reset the chart back. Should be looking for more of sales. So now, what I do in my strategy, I use a lot of strategy, actually, because as a trader, you cannot just stick to a particular strategy and you start waiting the whole day for your candlesticks to form before you can take a trade. You understand? It can be very exhausting. Yeah. So now, one of the strategies I use this is the head and shoulders. If you look at this now, look at this side, you can say that this is the head. Okay, sorry. You can say that this is the head. So this is the left shoulder and this is the right shoulder. So since we know that we are in a downtrend. So since we are in a downtrend, we are always looking for sell opportunities. So now, having formed a head and shoulder pattern here, so we'll be going short here from our right shoulder. So we'll be going short. So if we're going short, so you put your stop loss, let's say above the head, a little bit above the head, then we take our profit. It can be 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 5, depending on your appetite. So you see, yeah. So that is that. So let's look for another opportunity. So mind you, we are in a downtrend. So you don't look for buy opportunities when you are in a downtrend. You always look for sell opportunities. And one of the trading I normally do is I do the M pattern and the W pattern. Sometimes you call it the double top and double bottom. Okay, the double top and double bottom. Okay, now if you look at this place, the market is consolidating here. So let me put my trend line. As you can see, the market is consolidating. Okay, so the market is consolidating within this range. So what we were expecting is we're expecting a break of structure. So when that happens, at this place we noticed a break of structure and retest. So when that happens, we're going on short, we're taking a short position. Immediately we have this break of structure, we retest, then we shoot here, then we'll put our stop loss just above here, then we'll look for 1 to 2. So which means if you're risking $100, you're getting $200. So that is that. So let me show you another one. Okay. Yeah. So like I said, I normally trade the M pattern. You understand, which is the double top. Okay, if you look at this place now, we have a good demand zone here. Let me draw it out so that you can see it very well. This is a good demand zone right here. So when this happens, okay, we have our demand zone, so it comes down. So wait for it to come up to this demand zone before shooting. So once it gets to this demand zone back, it means that we have gotten our double top. So we go on short, go short here, go short. So you put your stop loss at least above the zone a bit, then you take your profit. This is 1 to 3, meaning you're risking $100 to make $300. Whenever I have a hammer in a demand zone or a doji in a demand zone, I just go long. So a hammer looks like this. We have a small green candle, then with the wick. So this is a typical example of a hammer. Or when I have something like this, a doji. So this is a doji and this is a hammer. Whenever I have any of this in my demand zone, I just go long. So notwithstanding, now we have this zone right here. We have this zone right here. Yeah. So like I said, I normally trade the W pattern, which is the double bottom. So first we look at our trend. Our trend right now, we are going up. We are in an uptrend. So we are only looking for buy opportunities when we are in an uptrend. So immediately I got this. This is the first bottom. So price went up, coming down to this place. Now in this place, you see, you find out that we have a doji. We have a double doji here, which is this. We have a double doji here. So I just shoot. I go long here and bag my profit. So I make sure that my stop loss is just a little bit behind the zone, so I take my profit. So this is 1 to 4, meaning you're risking $100 to make $400. So yeah, that is that. We've come to the end of today's video. So if you find value in what we do here, please smash that subscribe button and turn up your notifications so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be among the first to get it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.